Hey guys, how's it going? How to create project catalog on Upwork. So log into Upwork website and then find the, navigate to the project catalog, click the find work right here. You're gonna find it on the, left bar at the top left, right? And then create a new project by clicking create a new project, and then basically enter the clear descriptive title for your project, and then select the appropriate category and subcategory, and then define the project scope by setting the packages, standard, premium, whatever. Write a detailed description for your project, list any requirements from the client, and then upload images, videos, or documents to showcase your work, and then define the price and the delivery time for each package, and then review the project details and click publish. Now to make your project live on Upwork, your project is now available for clients to view and purchase. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.